welcome back to my channel. I have a really fun countdown project for you today. I've done a few other countdowns, like a block countdown, a chain countdown. I'll link those below, but this is like by far the easiest countdown project you could ever find. I'm gonna print out an image that I designed online. I've got a link for you guys below so that you can use it as well if you like. This is what it looks like. So this is for an upcoming trip to Universal Studios. I really liked this cute little graphic. It looked so retro, so that's what I went with. This reminds me of my childhood. This is what the logo looked like when I used to go when I was a kid in the early 90s. So I just printed it out and it says Days to Universal Studios, and I'm gonna pop it in a frame. This is a really fun idea. I've got this frame here from the Dollar Tree. Of course, use any frame you like. I use this one because it has like a matte. That's kind of my favorite type of inexpensive frame to use. I feel like when they have these mats, it makes it look a little more expensive. And so I've just popped it into the frame. I'm going to put the back on, and this is totally customizable, you guys. You could use like any kind of graphic image that you wanted depending on what you're counting down to, and that's all there is to it. And then I just take a dry erase marker and I can write right here the days until my trip, and then when it's time to change it, I can just erase it and put the number back in. I grabbed a marker to show you. So I'm just going to write here days until my trip, and then change it every single day. This would be perfect like in a corner of your kitchen. I'm gonna put this on my desk in my office. And like I said, you could use this for anything you're counting down to: a wedding, an anniversary, a cruise, a trip to Disney. I am going to Universal, and specifically I'm going for the Harry Potter stuff. They're opening a new Harry Potter ride. I'm so excited. And I'm gonna have a ton of Harry Potter projects coming up in the next few weeks. So hit that red subscribe button if that sounds good to you so you don't miss out on those. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it so I know to do more of these really quick, really inexpensive projects. And let me know in the comments if you guys are going to plan this, what you're counting down to this summer. I want to hear all about it. I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.